Hey everyone, my name is Manu Patel and today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem number 2574, which is left and right sum difference. So here we have given a detailed description about the problem set. So you are given a zero index integer array nums of size n. Define two arrays, left sum and right sum, where left sum of I is the sum of elements of the left of the index I in the array nums. If there is no such elements, left sum I equals to 0. Right sum I is the sum of the element of the right of the index I in the array nums. If there is no such element, right sum I equals to 0. Return an integer array answer of size n, where answer of I equals to AB modulus of left sum I minus right sum I. So here we have given that we have to find out we have to solve the question by using two array and storing the value of nums into that. The first will be left sum and the another will be right sum. In the left sum, we have to add the values of left side of nums, and in the right sum, we have to add the value of right side of num. So now we will introduce one first variable which will be equals to which is not a, and it will be equals to size nums of size, and then we will introduce three vectors. First vector will be for left sum, let's say is left, and its frequency will be n, and its initial value is equals to 0. The another vector, the vector will be for right, and also its frequency will be n, and its initial value will be 0, RICST, and then another vector which I has to be create after both left and right vector will be filled up, and its name will be answer, and we will store the difference between left and right sum of vector. First, I will run the vector for one for loop for left sum, and it will start from I equals to 1. Oh, sorry, it will start from n minus 2, and it will goes up to I less than or equals to 0, and iteration will be negative for this, as left of I equals to left of I plus 1 and plus of nums of I minus 1. Another for loop, the for loop for right I equals to n minus 2, I less than or equals to 0, I minus 1. And now same for right, RIGHT, right of I equals to right of I plus 1 and plus of nums of I plus 1. Here our first and second for loop will be forward, and another for loop which will be for storing the difference between right and left vector ans of I equals to ABS, which will be helping to remove the negative sign. It will work as modulus, and here our first for loop will run for left as left of I plus 1 plus num of I minus 1. Here we are saying that if left of I, let's say nums index value is 1, and left of I plus 1. So I plus 1 means its eighth value, and 8 is for now empty. For the 8 will be filled because our for loop is running backward direction. So its value will be there, some value will be there. So it will be plus n nums of I minus 1. So 10. 10 plus left of I plus 1 initial value. So it will be equals to value of the current index, which is 1. So as it will be stored as 0, then 10, then 14 as the sum of it. And at last we are returning the answer, which is the difference between both right and left. Let's see it is true or not, whether any error or not. So there is some error. Oh, sorry, we don't have to write this. And for left, we will write, we will run the for loop from starting as I equals to 1, and it will be less than n. Now it must has to be run successfully. Mm, there will be a negative side because we are going in forward direction for our iteration. We have fast test cases and let we submit. Our runtime is 0 milli per second and its used memory 15.26 MB. So thank you very much.